Hey, what's up, YouTube family? This your boy Ray Mac. Today I got a couple of ribeye steaks that I want to do something to, all right? But I want to show you guys something right now. I got some of this here JB's barbecue all-purpose seasoning. This is my first time trying this. My boy JB, what's up, JB? I want y'all guys to go and check out his channel, so I'm gonna leave a link below. He's the creator of this here seasoning, so he sent it to me. I want to give it a try. So with this here all-purpose seasoning, I just want to take some of this here seasoning and layer this steak with it, all right? And we're gonna do something special with this here steak. But just look at how this seasoning pairs up with this here steak. Normally I put salt and pepper on my steak, but as you can see, why use salt and pepper when I can use some of JB's all-purpose seasoning? So I got my cast iron skillet out. I haven't seen my baby in a long time. And I got me a tablespoon of butter that I just want to go ahead and melt, because I'm going to sear these here steaks, okay? And when I do, I'm going to place me about a couple of slices of onion rings in this baby. But look here, let's just watch this video, but don't go nowhere. If you do, you're going to miss out on something good. So I decided to go ahead and cook this steak for at least around about a total of 5 minutes, 3 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side. So I'm gonna take this and let the steak rest just for a little while before I start slicing up into this here steak. But I'm telling you right now, this steak, man, was good, man. It was smelling good and everything else. So I just took some 90-second Uncle Ben's microwavable rice, and it was some wild rice, and paired it up with this here steak. And I got me one of those rings of onions that I put onto the side. And I'm telling you, y'all, my wife, she dig this steak right here. But what I'm gonna do next, y'all, I want you to check this one out, because I wanted to take this steak recipe along with that seasoning just to another level. So I took that other steak and I cut it up in cubes, all right? And once I cut it up in cubes, I took some of that JB seasoning and seasoned these cube steaks up with. So don't go nowhere. Stay tuned with me, y'all. So now I got my cast iron skillet cleaned out. I'm gonna throw in at least 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And I'm also tossing in this here meat just to get it nice and tender. Once that is nice and tender, we're gonna go ahead and toss in our onions. So I took that other ring of onions and I sliced that baby up and I threw it in with this as well. But one thing that I wanted to try with this here, y'all, was that love butter. So I tossed in some of that love butter with these here pieces of steak, y'all. Oh, don't go nowhere. It's about to get funky up in this here place. Okay, this JB's barbecue seasoning was hidden, man. It's an all-purpose seasoning. It was definitely hidden. I'm going to try it on some salmon. I got some salmon fillets that I want to give it a try on because I'm not convinced yet. All right, but when I try that, I think I will be. But I want to say thank you guys for watching this here video. If you want that love butter recipe, all you have to do is just click on this here, my suggestion, and there you will get that love butter recipe. Subscribe to my channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Love you guys. Peace.